Alright people, we got another one. The Dyson Hairdryer. You know, this thing costs $2.99, which is £300 British pound, and in dollars it's 425.5 US dollars. So you know, my question to you is, they even have asked it themselves, would you buy it? Apparently it's packed with a lot of technology. I already used the word apparently, but I'm gonna use it again. Apparently the other manufacturers have not managed to do so. So it's for you to decide. Watch the video, go double check on their website and find out where you can buy it. Once you get your hands on it, and we're gonna put our hands on it too, hopefully, we'll do a full review and let us know what you think about it. If you are willing or ready to spend that kind of money for you know, a hairdryer. Other than that, like and subscribe, especially if it's the first time. Subscribe PLS, we love your hair, we love your support. Alright people, we have reached the end of this video, so let us know what you think about it. I hope it was helpful, and we'll see you on the next one. Let's do it and do it. Thanks for watching. Peace out.